Hello, my name is Theo Rodenbach and I am the account manager for the products in FFT image processing department. Today I like to introduce you to our innovative metrology solution FFT VisionView. FFT VisionView describes an automatic measuring cell including in-house developed measuring software for the correlation-free optical inspection of large volume components in the shop floor area. This solution can be seamlessly integrated into any automated production line and helps to monitor, control and ensure quality in production with significantly faster feedback compared to classical coordinate measuring machines. Let me walk you through the main features and how it can benefit your production process in a fully automated way. We have developed our own software called VisionView specifically for inline and shop floor measurements. The software at the core of our measurement system and controls every step of the process. VisionView lets us create and manage measuring programs for different parts and interactively inspect measurement results at the station. PLC-integration, temperature compensation, several part alignment strategies and intelligent measurement strategies for short cycle times make VisionView the perfect solution for fully automatic measurement with high measurement accuracy. Inside the VisionView software, operators can work with a detailed 3D representation of the part. The software clearly shows all measuring positions and guides the inspection step by step. It also displays all important information like program details, measuring modes and settings, so it's easy to customize for every part and task. VisionView logs every measurement and system action. This means full traceability and makes troubleshooting much easier. Our self-developed measurement algorithms and comprehensive software self-diagnostic make VisionView robust and reliable. VisionView can be integrated into the production environment at different levels. Offline measurement takes place away from the production line or in a separate metrology room. Within a measurement time of about 1.5 hours, the system can check up to 2,500 features on a part. At-line measurement is closer to production and meant to sample inspection. VisionView can inspect about 250 features within 12 minutes, helping to monitor production quality within a very short feedback time. Inline measurement happens directly in the production line. Within cycle time between 50 to 100 seconds per part, a set of around 50 features can be measured. The data is used directly for process control. FFT VisionView offers smart strategy like rolling measurement and switch between full and short programs to meet customers' requirements. Furthermore, VisionView offers in-process, measured and manual inspection for more specific areas like measure move strategy, prototype testing or special application in aviation and railway context. Our measuring cell can be flexibly configured. One VisionView measuring cell PC can be equipped with up to 8 sensors. The sensors can be used in a stationary position, on a tree board, on linear traverse axis or in industrial robots. The part fixture can also be flexibly configured on static measurement fixture, on turntable or on mobile platforms such as FFT AGVs. The most common measurement tasks with VisionView are measuring a variety of folds, studs, bolts, surface points and edges. Spheres, pins and other alignment features are also supported. Mathematical operations round off the range of functions enable the software to calculate distances, symptometry points and basic shape deviations. Finally, VisionView works with a range of correlation-free sensors with slightly different specifications. The dynamic 9D LiDAR sensor scans 20,000 points per second, weighs 10 kilograms and measured distance up to 25 meters. The Hexagon ATS800 scans 2000 points per second, weighs 40 kg and measured up to 40 meters. And finally, the Nikon Aptis scans 4000 points per second, weighs 39 kilograms and measured up to 50 meters, still delivering precision results. With the VisionView and our flexible metrology systems, we are helping manufacturers achieve faster, more accurate measurements, making quality control close to the production line, smarter, faster and more efficient than ever before. You can find more information on our website fft.de. There you will find not only VisionView but also many other interesting products and solutions in the field of image processing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can find the personal contacts on our website or in the video description below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.